Every August, over 800 manufacturers from around the globe amass in Atlanta, Georgia for the world's largest woodworking and design trade show, the International Woodworking Fair. Among them is Hardware Resources.
Anything you see in your kitchen other than the appliances, we make it. From the cabinets to the knobs, the pulls that you used on your cabinetry, to the hinges or the slides that are used in the construction.
A leader in the industry, the hardware giant offers a complete line of products to its customers.
We are one brand, Hardware Resources, with many brands included into that. Jeffrey Alexander, Elements, Task Lighting and Power, and our cabinet company, North Point Cabinetry.
Their mission?
To offer the right product at the right price, right on time for our customers. We want to make sure that we have anything and everything the customer may need for that project they're working on.
And shows like IWF are vital to the mission's success.
It helps us get our name out there in the community. We meet a lot of new customers at trade shows. We visit with a lot of our current customers at our trade shows as well. It's all about brand awareness, brand recognition. We want to show that we have anything and everything you can possibly need for your next kitchen project or your bathroom project. We've been attending the IWF show for almost 20 years. These are the guys that work with cabinetry all the time. They're coming in here, they're looking at the products that we offer. A lot of them look at our decorative hardware, our functional hardware. We are here for those guys.
Outfitted with a new booth and a busy schedule, Hardware Resources is poised to attract new customers.
We want to meet as many people as we possibly can to make sure they know who Hardware Resources is. If they're not doing business with us, come be a part of our family. We'd love to do business with you.
And by the looks of it, IWF 2022 helped them do just that.